Hey kids! Welcome to the ultimate challenge. Guess the baby animal names. From farmyard friends to wild wonders and cuddly pets, get ready to test your animal knowledge and identify the cutest baby creatures around. Let's jump right in. What is a baby kangaroo called? Yes, you are right. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. What is a baby dog called? Yes, you are right. A baby dog is called a puppy. What is a baby cat called? Yes, you are right. A is a baby cat is called a kitten. What is a baby horse called? Yes, you are right. A baby horse is called a foal. What is a baby cow called? Yes, you are right. A baby cow is called a calf. What is a baby elephant called? Yes, you are right. A baby elephant is called a calf. What is a baby bear called? Yes, you are right. A baby bear is called a cub. What is a baby goat called? Yes, you are right. A baby goat is called a kid. What is a baby pig called? Yes, you are right. A baby pig is called a piglet. What is a baby chicken called? Yes, you are right. A baby chicken is called a chick. What is a baby duck called? Yes, you are right. A baby duck is called a duckling. What is a baby swan called? Yes, you are right. A baby swan is called a cygnet. What is a baby goose called? Yes, you are right. A baby goose is called a gosling. What is a baby deer called? Yes, you are right. A baby deer is called a fawn. What is a baby rabbit called? Yes, you are right. A baby rabbit is called a kit. What is a baby sheep called? Yes, you are right. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Wow, you did an amazing job guessing all those baby animal names. I hope you had as much fun playing as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our HeyKids channel for more exciting quizzes and adventures. Expect the next part of the video soon, where we'll explore even more adorable baby animals. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Bye for now.